I've just got back to Bacolod, a day after the earthquake. And here on my veranda, where I've got a little patio, look what's happened. That tile split at the side, and this tile's been lifted up. Somehow it's all been damaged by the earthquake. Now that's actually separated away from the post there. And as you can see, this tile's completely knackered. Split completely. Even the concrete's broken here. So I wasn't here during the earthquake, so I was in Willow. But yes, it's definitely been felt here. And it's the same on the other post. Over here, again, the post is separated away from the tiles. That's all cracked down there, the bottom of the post. You can see it's separated away from the tiled area. There's a big gap there now. Small there, and big at this end. And round here, again, just cracked the concrete and cracked all the tile. And at the side as well. So it's all caused by this earthquake. The house isn't going to fall down, but it's very annoying. Thanks for watching.